Hello. Today I am going to give you the tips for mathematics examination. Are you ready? Do you want to have the tips? Okay, let us have the tips. The very and foremost, very important thing you have to do is take the required things to the examination hall. At least 2 pencils for the maths exam, pens, eraser, scale, compass, all these things you need to take to the mathematics examination hall. I think you won't forget to take all these things. As soon as you get the question paper, read the question paper thoroughly during that given 15 minutes time. 15 minutes time will be allotted to you to read the question paper. So use that time to read the question paper thoroughly. At that time only, select the questions you want to attempt in section B. Section A is compulsory. Section B, you select which questions you will be able to do well. I suggest you that attempt section B first, so that at last you can spend as much time as you need to attempt section A, which is compulsory. Section A, if you cannot do also, you have to try to do that. So as per the availability of time, at last you can spend more time for section A. That's why it is good to attempt section A at last. Never leave any question unattempted. Answer all the questions by writing the correct question numbers. If it is 4A, 4A. If it is 5B, 5B. Mark the question numbers, write the question numbers correctly, and you can answer the questions in any order you like. Suppose you have attempted 1A, 1B, 1C, then you thought 2A, some confusion, then you can start 3A, 3B, 3C. If you want to do now at that time 2A, suppose you cannot do 2A, you can leave space for 2A, then you can start 2B, 2C, and so on. When you are doing, if you don't know a particular question, you can leave the space for that, and at last you can do it. But any order, not that one after 1, 2, after 2, 3 you have to do. You can do question 1 or question 3, question 2, like that. But it is good to do A, B, C in order. But the bits of the question is to be done at one place. If you don't know how to do a particular question, you can leave space and afterwards you can do that. Never spend more time in any one question. If you stuck up somewhere, leave that while solving. If you stuck up, leave that. After completing everything, you can come back and at last you can try to solve it. When you look at a maths problem, don't figure it out in your head before writing anything down. What you need to do is begin by first writing down the problem step by step. In any order you like, but try to do section B first, then section A. I suggest you to do section B, but if you want to do section A, you can do. But any order with section A first, section B, or section B first, section A, you can do it. Then, when you do the graph work is to be done on the graph paper, but the written work for the graph is to be done on the answer sheet, on the answer booklet provided to you. And whenever you solve some problem, rough work is to be done by the side of the problem so that it will be easy for you at the time of checking. Checking should be done from the question paper to answer paper. What is this question paper to answer papers? Let me explain you. Suppose in the question paper it will be given 3985. Mostly in maths it happens. We read 3985 from the question paper. We write 3895. 3985 may be there in the question paper. When writing we may do 3895. It happens. For plus minus, for minus plus, for 238 like this mistakes more often we used to do. So you should be careful while checking. You check the question paper with the answer paper. That is the common mistake we usually do. Try to complete the paper within 2 hours, so that last half an hour you can spend for checking and complete the incomplete works. Okay. At last, don't be nervous or excited either in the beginning of the exam or during the examination. Please don't do that. Don't be nervous. Whatever you have learned, whatever you get, you can do that. Otherwise, whatever you know also you will forget. Wish you all the best for your maths examination. In my next videos, I am going to give you the important points chapter wise. Please follow my videos. If you like, don't forget to like the videos. Thank you.